Each week, a chapter member is invited to present a business concept, offering valuable insights to help maximize the benefits of their BNI membership. Our next speaker is a financial legacy coach with 22 years professional expertise in the financial planning industry. Her lifelong mission is to help people align money with meaning. As a life underwriter with ProLife UK, ICF credentialed life coach, and founding president of BNI Great and BNI Gold Club awardee, she blends financial discipline with a coach's heart, helping clients turn wealth into worth. Grounded in purpose, guided by service, let us all welcome Coach Edlin Nang.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Congruence Our Currency, based on BNI Podcast 270, Congruent in Words and Actions. Have you met a printer with no business card? Paging Rita. A health coach whose lunch was Coke Zero and Chicharon. Or a leader who talks about listening but interrupts every 5 seconds. Or the one who forces his employees to follow the rules but is the top rule breaker himself. Well, we laugh because they're familiar. But the truth is, every one of us has a version of this. I'm sure no one is really congruent 100% all the time. So let me share a story. A few weeks ago, someone asked me for advice about protecting his family. So we sat down, and I was explaining why being prepared matters. He proudly said, Coach, I totally agree. That's why I'm planning to get insurance once I finish paying for my new gaming chair. And right there, that tiny moment, I saw the gap. His intentions were correct and noble, but his actions were on a swivel chair with LED lights. So that's incongruence, and it happens everywhere. In the chat, can you type some other words or synonyms of congruence? Well, it is the alignment between your words and actions. So in BNI, congruence is our currency, and it shows up when we return our calls, we follow through, and we pass the referral we promised. So you show up as the same person everywhere, in the meeting, outside the meeting, and in your business. So no schizophrenia. Because people feel consistency, they trust it. And trust is what moves business and legacy. So here's my invitation to everyone this week. Where is one small place you can tighten the gap between what you say and what you actually do? So, not a big leap, just one aligned step. It could be sending that follow up you owe, reviewing your own financial protection, or simply keeping the promises you make when nobody's watching. Congruence is never grand, but it is felt and it is remembered. So let us be the kind of professionals whose actions and intentions match so that the referrals flows naturally and our legacy speaks for us because integrity is the key. Salamat, Barangay Grit.